Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be fulfilling this large wholesale order with you guys. She ordered 60 wand to fill, and as you guys can see I already started, so I'm just going to do 4 of each with y'all and then 2 of each for my Instagram. And then over here we have the lip scrubs. She ordered 30 lip scrubs, grape, strawberry, and bubblegum, so I'm going to be filling that with y'all as well. Let's go ahead and get started because your girl is actually getting tired now. I'm ready to lay down. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this done. Go ahead and get these lip scrubs together. Okay, so it is the next day. I was supposed to finish this earlier, but yo, today has been a day, okay? Tell me why it was thundering really, really hard outside, raining really hard, and the power ended up going out. It went out at like 4 something in the afternoon, and it kept coming back on for like a second, but it would go back out. And then I think around like 9 something, it had came back on for about 20 minutes. Then it went back out. And then it came back on again. And it was on for a good minute. I had ended up falling asleep. And then when I woke up, I had to use the bathroom. While I was in the bathroom, it went back out. I had put in another report because I'm over this, okay? I have work to do. Like, these aren't even filled yet because I want to do them for Instagram, but I didn't have any lights, so I couldn't film it. So, yeah, it ended up coming back on not too long after, and that's when I ended up cleaning around the tube and stuff, just making sure everything was good, and that's how we got to this point. So I'm gonna ship this order off tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. I really don't feel like going outside, but I want to get this order shipped off so it can be on its way to her. So yeah, I'm gonna ship this off, well, later today, because it is the next day. So I'm gonna ship it off later today. Hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little video. And this is what happens when you fill it up too much. It happens to the best of us. I'll get it in a minute though. And we are done with this order. So once again, she got 60 want-to fill wholesale all new glosses, and then she got 30 lip scrubs, grape, strawberry, and bubblegum. You guys will see this next week on Tuesday. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment. It could just be an emoji if you don't have anything to say. Leave a comment. It helps with engagement. And make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And turn your post notifications on. I gotta remember to say that because I always forget. And yeah, I will see you guys next Tuesday.